our calendar. Let me scroll it back up to the top. All right, my friends, we are almost done with our first month of school. It is almost the end of September. Here we are on the last row of September. All right, so yesterday was 27. Show me a thumb if you know what number comes after 27. Ooh, three thumbs. All right. Okay, I'll just go with that one. Ansley, you're my first thumb, so I will let you answer. What number comes after 27? Ansley, press the red button, unmute yourself, and you can answer the question.
28.
28. How do you write 28? Is it a 2 and an 8? 2 and an 8. 2 and an 8 makes 28. Ansley, what number comes after 28? Oh, show me a thumb if you can help my friend Ansley. What number comes after 28? I'll let my friend Asen answer this question. Asen, what number comes after 28?
29.
Oh, she beat you to the punch, buddy. Go back. Asen, go ahead. Answer it. What number comes after 28?
29.
Good job. All right, so today is Monday, September 28th. It is the third to last day of September. Round of applause for you guys. You know, it took me the third week of school before Asen's mom told me that you guys need to download the Nod extension in order to see the cheers button, so we'll have to figure something else out. All right, let's move on to 10 frames. Oh man, I am behind. All right, hold on, let me catch up. All right. In our previous episode of Calendar Math, we were on the number 14. So, take a look at the 10 frames, and when you know the answer, show me a thumb. Two people. All right. Morning, Olivia. Mark thinks he's got the answer. Tell you what, let's count it all together. Even if you know it, just humor me and count with us, all right? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Show me a thumb if you know how many days we've been in school. Sailor, how many days we've been in school? Sailor, how many? Say it again. All right, who can help her out? Michaela, how many do we got? Unmute your microphone, sweetie, so I can hear you. Michaela, count the counters. How many days have we been in school? Thank you. Good job. 15. All right. Let's move on to tally marks. I'm gonna bring that up to the front. There you go. How many tally marks do we got? Show me a thumb if you know. Desmond, how many tally marks do we got? And friends, show a thumb if you have the answer, and it can help out my friend Desmond in case he gets stuck. 15. You are right. Good job, Desmond. 15. Now, look at our tally marks. They're in groups of 5. Can you show me 5 fingers? So the faster way to do it was we could count by 5s. We can go 5, 10, 15, and that would give us 15. All right, let's move on to our 100s chart. What number is circled today? Jane, what number is circled? Can you tell us?
15.
15. You're right. Are we moving up and down, or are we moving side to side?
Side to side.
And are our numbers getting smaller, or are they getting bigger?
Bigger.
They are getting bigger. Good job. All right. Weather. I can't tell. Charlie, do you have a window? I can't tell if you have got a window or not. Let's just assume that you do. What's the weather going to be like today, Charlie? Cloudy. I'll take your word for it, because I got up very early, so I got no clue what today is going to be like. Charlie says it is going to be oh, why does it say summer? Uh-oh. It is not summer anymore. It is. Go back up. Hold on. All right, it is fall now. Thank you, Charlie. It is cloudy. All right, let's take a look at our shape of the day. Shape of the day, shape of the day.
It's fall. See that picture? It's fall.
All right. What shape is this? Michaela, what shape is that?
A rhombus.
Good word. Rhombus. How many sides do you see on the rhombus? Sophia, how many sides do you see on this rhombus? 4 sides. How many vertices do you see on this rhombus? 4 vertices. All right, moving on to today's pattern. We have triangle, trapezoid, triangle, trapezoid, triangle. Show me a thumb if you know what the next shape is. Desmond, what shape is it going to be next? Go ahead, unmute yourself. We have triangle, trapezoid, triangle, trapezoid, triangle. Which one's next? You're right, it's a trapezoid. Trapezoid is a four-sided shape. One side is long on the bottom, one side is short on the top. And this pattern is called ABAB. Great.